Up with 5 cars, and a close-up look at this one shows you how intense the impact was. This damage was the result of this. Surveillance video shows a Subaru driving west on 207th Street. A BMW driving north on Sherman Avenue goes through the intersection and T-bones the Subaru. The impact threw the Subaru onto the sidewalk where 2 men happened to be waiting to cross the street.
They were just standing there, and the cars, they just jumped to the sidewalk.
Cameras right over the point of impact caught video too gruesome to show. The owner of the business there reviewed the footage.
He couldn't run, he couldn't do anything, because it happened in less than a second, in less than a blink of an eye.
Both men were well known here in Inwood.
He was just an amazing person. I could never say anything bad about him.
A lifelong friend is among the many here talking about 40-year-old David Fernandez. He'd been right here on the corner with his friend, 31-year-old Joel Adames.
He was my little cousin. He was a sweetheart. He was the love of the family. He was everything.
By sunrise, a memorial started forming for the 2 men. Fernandez was known by a different name throughout the neighborhood and on the international stage.
David the dancer, that's what he was known for.
Video from his own Instagram shows David Fernandez's biggest claims to fame. He was a salsa instructor and winner of many international competitions. He was also a barber to celebrities like DJ Babyface and guitarist Max Santos and anyone who'd ask.
You'll call him at 2 a.m. and he'll stay open just for you. That's what happened right now, man.
Fernandez had just finished cutting Adames's hair at 4 a.m. when they were headed home, and the collision took their lives. The people in the collided cars survived the crash. The 2 men, including Adames, who was memorialized by rapper and songwriter Cardi B on her social media, they both perished.
He was good, loyal, loved his daughter.
3 other cars were either totaled or damaged, including Jolemi Classes' sedan. She was David Fernandez's lifelong friend.
My cars could be replaceable. David cannot.
Some people here said that there was a police chase that led to this car going through this intersection at a high speed. The NYPD says that was not the case, and there is no evidence that suggests otherwise. Some other residents said they have applied for speed bumps here on Sherman Avenue, that they were denied by the city. The NYPD saying it is still investigating this crash.